Now we're gonna make the ears from our mouse. So we make two rows and two gray, all right? And then we're gonna sew it together. At first we make the rows once. For that I make here magic ring, yeah, one slip stitch, and then 6 single crochet into our magic ring, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then we increase all stitches. One in each stitch, 2 single crochet. And 12. So, and in the next row we make, put your stitch marker. In the next row we make 1 single crochet and increase until end of the row. You repeat this secret 6 times, okay? And from this pink one you make 2 pieces, 2 of that one. Now you should have here 2 rows ears, and we're gonna make same of that in white ones, the main color. Same of the pink ones, 2 pieces, okay? We make in white now. Whatever your main color is, you're gonna crochet also 2 of the main color ears. Now I finished now the first white ear outside of the ear, and now I take the rose one and put it on the back side, okay? So I crochet it together. I go into rows stitches, I go into row stitches from the rose ear and through the white loop and sew it together. Like that. In the rows and through the white. In each loop you sew the ears together like this, okay? So until end of the row, and you make same with the second ear, all right? And I meet you again. So I finished both ears, okay? Now I'm going to sew it onto the head. I count here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, between 6th and 7th row. I attach it here, okay? I go to sew it here. Okay, like that you attach. Like that. So you sew also the second ear to the body, and then I meet you again. So I attached the ears to my mouse. It's so nice now. I like it very much. Now I continue with the arms. All right, I make white. So for that I make again one magic ring, slip stitch, and then 6 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I pull my yarn, okay, and then the next two more rows, with each row 6 stitches. And now in the next row we decrease 2 stitches together, 1 2, decrease, and make 4 single crochet. Two, 3, and 4. Now you have 5 stitches left, okay, 5 stitches, and you make 6 more rows with 5 stitches, and also you make the second arm like the same like the first one, same secret, okay. You make 2 arms, and I meet you again. Now I finished both arms, okay, and now I go to sew it onto the side of the body, directly under the neck here, under the neck, okay, on the side. So, and you sew also the second leg of your toy, okay, and then we continue with the tail. Now also the arms are finished, okay. Now we make the tail. For the tail you're gonna chain 20 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 13 14 17 18 19 20, and then in each chain you're gonna make single crochet in each chain, okay, until end of the row. In each chain you're gonna make 1 single crochet. So I attached also the tail of my mouse, and now I make the nose here, the nose, okay. Here I gonna come through the hole here, and make here, go up, 1 row up, make a V here, and now you're gonna fill here the spaces. Like that. Maybe one more time here. And go up here again. And go through here. So one more time, so and then it's enough. And you come out here. Sometimes it's really hard to pull. Okay. This is our nose now. And now we continue with the eye and yes, the face. Now for the eye, you need a thin black yarn. Okay, so you count here the 1, 2, 3, 4, between 4 and 5th row. Okay, you make the eye, you go in any space here, come up, out, up here, and just skip 1 stitch. So skip 1 stitch here. So the eye is finished also, like that. And then you hide this inside of the head. Okay, just cut and hide it into the head. Okay, like that. And now we continue with the mustache now, all right? So for the mustache, I cut small pieces of my black yarn, okay? And now I go into the, from the nose, 1, 2, to the, here, to the 3rd row, in, and oops, pull my black yarn and pull through again, like that, okay? And then we cut like this. You make 3 3 mustaches here and 3 on the left side. Okay, both sides, 3, 3, 3, and then I meet you again. So I finished my mouth, also the mustache, okay, on both sides, and then I attached a bow. I had this one, and also here on the ear some roses, and now I have really very sweet mouth now. So beautiful. I hope you enjoy this toy and see you in my next video. Take care and bye bye.